Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai red pork, or in Thai we call Kao Moo Dang. You can walk around for the Thai street food and you will find this recipe. It's very famous. The first step, we're gonna marinate the pork by we combine all marinade ingredients together and stir to dissolve. We're gonna use garlic, pepper, salt, sugar, spice powder, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a bit of water, and also the food color for make it red. The sauce was savory with a little bit of sweetness and wonderfully complemented the pork without overpower it. Make sure it's always mixed well, and also the sugar is dissolved, and then we're gonna put our pork into that and marinate for 1 hour at least. And then we're gonna cook it after marinate, or you can just roast the pork. It's okay, because after that we're gonna use the sauce that we marinate now to make the sauce to top up when we eat. And now you can see our pork is already done, it's cooked, and also the sauce is more thicker. And filling the sauce. To make the sauce, and then we're gonna use the marinade sauce that we marinate the pork by put 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and make sure it's dissolved tapioca starch, and then we're gonna simmering the sauce. Bring the boil and simmer until the sauce thickens. Chicken like this, and now it's ready for our sauce. And the last thing is the dark soy chili vinegar. Combine all ingredients together and stir it. They use the vinegar, black soy sauce, salt, and sugar. This can be made well in advance, and all ingredients I will put in the description box below. So slide the pork into the thin pieces and press on top of the hot jasmine rice. Slice the cucumber, cut the boiled egg in half, and preparing any other side you have to deserve. And then put the gravy sauce that we prepare on top and serve with the egg, cucumber slice, and Chinese sauces if using. And also you can eat together with the dark soy chili vinegar. And now it's ready. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.